Welcome to my channel. This is the third time I've done this. I have a new setup for recording audio, and you have to double punch the record button. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Welcome to 2017. 2016 just went like that. Crazy. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Information about me and who I am, what I do, what this channel is. I'm a photographer, turning into a bit more video work from Sydney, Australia. I've been running a photography business for almost 10 years, covering mainly sport. Started out shooting AFL and soccer and tennis to a fairly high level in Sydney. Slowly moved into the motorsport scene, shooting the V8 supercars and then moving into rally. I love, and my full-time work has been covering the Australian Rally Championship for close to 10 years and the World Rally Championship for about 4 or 5 years. Travelling overseas, travelling to all around Argentina, Spain, Portugal, UK, you name it. I'm also a drone pilot now. I have my certificate, which I obtained recently. So on this channel, you will see drone videos, you will see time lapses, you will see vlogs, unboxing. I'm a bit of a gear nut. The reason for today's video is this, a new bit of kit, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. I recently moved back to this brand. I was a DJI owner a couple of years ago with the Phantom 2, and then I moved to the Solo, the 3DR Solo. Unfortunately, the Solo just didn't live up to its expectations, and unfortunately with the GoPro it's not acceptable for commercial grade work, which is why the Phantom 4 is my new replacement and my new drone. I'll also be purchasing the Inspire 2, which is the next level up for some potential work this year. Anyway, the DJI Phantom 4. It's the Phantom 4 Pro. It has a new 1-inch sensor that's out of the Sony RX100 Mark V, I believe, which also has a 20 megapixel sensor, which is just going to be absolutely amazing. This is the whole reason I purchased it, majority for stills. It has an increased flight time, so 30 minutes of flight. You're able to shoot 4K at 60 FPS, and the big one for me, I guess, also is the 7-kilometer range. The Solo, I could get maybe 1 kilometer out of it in Western Australia where there was no interference. A 7-kilometer range is just phenomenal. To be able to rely on that range and not have to really worry about it is huge. With the Solo, occasionally, you could be 100 meters away and the signal would just drop because it was working off Wi-Fi. Or if there was huge interference, it would just stop. So this is a huge step up for me. So without further ado, here's the DJI unboxing. Let's have a look. Now, everyone knows it comes with this cool case thingy, which is this styrofoam case. Go, flick it around. There it is. DJI Phantom. Cool. It has this latch on it. This is quite good actually. It's really sturdy. I think it'll work great for me because I'll be able to just put it in one of my backpacks and not have to really worry about too much. And there it is, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. First thing I will remove is the controller, which is this. Turn it around, just there, controller. And then there is a booklet with information on it. There is a USB adapter cable. There's also another USB cable here for something or other. There is the propellers, which will all come out. There they all are, which is handy, you need them. And then that's the actual bird itself. Put that there for now, and that's it. That's the Phantom 4 Pro. Let me just show you what it's like in comparison to the Solo. Solo is quite a lot bigger. That's going to fall out of my hands. But that's it. So you've got sensors, and more sensors underneath. There's a battery that's fitted. I've purchased another couple of batteries directly from DJI. Shout out to DHL. Those guys really know how to deliver, unlike Australia Post, which sucks balls. Charger. I have also purchased triple charger for the Phantom batteries. Basically what this is this. So plugs in to this. So this plugs in there, like so. And then you can charge 3 batteries. Okay, there we go. Clip in and charge. Perfect. I believe you can fit 3 on at once. They don't charge all at the same time, but they start charging the one that I believe requires the least amount of charge. And then once they're done, they go into a bit of a trickle charge. You can also use this as a storage charge. There's a storage button on it. So basically what it is with these lithium batteries, you don't want to keep them charged fully. You want to keep their life cycle. You want to keep them charged at about 50%. So this will also bring their charge down, or will charge the battery up to 50%. So, if you know that you're not going to be using the drone for a little while, then it'll keep them at a storage level charge, which is great. The box is now empty. The box can also fit here. Can also fit 2 batteries. Basically, this can slide in there. And you can put another one on this side as well, and means you can keep 3 batteries in the little case that you get with your Phantom 4, which is pretty cool actually. That is it for an unboxing. I'm not sure how long it's gone because I've done it 3 times now because of recording audio and failing to record the audio. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's like everyone else's unboxings, but it's from me. I might be travelling to New Zealand quite a lot this year if a few things pan out. So we will see how that goes. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm working on a drone compilation video from everything that I shot last year. And in the meantime, we'll have taken the Phantom 4 out, so I'll throw some footage of that up as well. Make sure you look around my channel, check out some of my other videos, check out maybe a video here from Iceland, check out maybe here a vlog from Western Australia, and don't forget to, up here, subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Ciao. Bye. See you later.